Yo, what's up? Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning to all of you watching Bright Future TV. We are back again. As I told you that I'll come back to live to share with you another great update. Yes, the great update is here now to share with all of you. As soon as you join Bright Future TV, make sure you share the video, hit the like button, and then subscribe if it is your first time being here with us. Make sure you also subscribe. Thank you so much for being here on Bright Future TV. Yes, I know many of you will be waiting for the notification. Yes, let me check if the notification is in already. As soon as you join, just hit the like button and drop your comments. Yes, if you have yellow permesso di soggiorno, that 6-month permesso di soggiorno, I want you to stay right here. There's a good news for you. Yes, so don't go nowhere. Stay right here with us, and we will share with you. Make sure you like the video. Okay, click the like button. Let's check how many likes we have. Then I bring to you. Also, there are something about Protezione Speciale updates that I also have to share with you. So tell a friend to come and join. Okay. All right, let's get started. Without not wasting time. Now, many of our people in Italy have Protezione Speciale, the one that they have personally required from the Questura. Okay, yes. Now, the issue is that if you got your Protezione Speciale from the commission or from the courts, many people don't know the difference. Commission is when you first go to commission, or you first go to commission, then they give you documents. Okay, you got positive, your document is permesso di soggiorno, that is the Protezione Speciale. That's your document. Now, maybe you go first one, they gave you negative, and then the second one is when you go to when you appeal it, and then you go to the court, the tribunal. That is also a commission, if in case you don't know. Okay, so these two things are just the same. The only difference is when you go and apply from the Questura. Now, let me say this to you. If you got it from your first commission or the second one, it is the same. But there's something you guys have to know. Not all of you should worry yourself about converting your Protezione Speciale because you think it's a Protezione Speciale. Not all of you need to worry. In the paper, the one that they gave you, your lawyer sent to you, most of your lawyers send a paper to you through your WhatsApp or email. Okay, those people that the lawyer sent you, that you take it to commission, you take it to Questura for the fingerprints. That paper, they have written the reason why they are giving you the document. So if that reason why they give you that Protezione Speciale still exists, when the document expire, whether you have work contract or you don't have a work contract, the commission will renew that document for you. Yes, except you personally have a job and you want to attach your work contract, your booster paga to it, and then go and renew. That is your own case. Okay, but for example, let me give you one example. Let me tell you one people that they will renew their documents for them, even whether they are working or whether they are not working. They don't have to convert their documents. There are people who are living on their own. There are so many migrants who have their own apartment, living in their own apartment. They are with their wife, they are with their children. Some are single, they don't have wife, they don't have any child. They are just living alone in their own house. Okay, such people, they give them document because what, they are well established here in this country. That is the reason why they give them, and it is what they call it private life. So when your document expire and you are still having that title as a private life person who is living his private life, you are working, you are making your own money, you are taking care of yourself. These people, they will renew your document for you without you, whether you convert it or whatever that you do, they will do it for you. Jacob, I want you to get the hell out of here, okay? Don't be stupid. I don't like people like you. When was the last time I made a long video? And when was the last time you watch our video? Just go to hell. I hate people like you. So when the information is long, I should keep it summarized or what? Bro, let me block you. I don't like people who are very useless. Check the last video that I did. So they will not say, okay, you have to convert it before. No, they will renew it for you automatically. they will renew it for you. Yes, except, that's why I make the word, except you personally want to go and what, you want to go and convert it yourself. That one, period. Nobody have a problem with you. Now, let me also say this to you guys for you to understand. Keep dropping the comments. I'll read all the comments. There are documents that is called attesa di occupazione. Many people have different types of documents. For example, people have assistenza minore, people have casi speciale, okay? People have sanatorial documents. Yes, people also have protezione speciale. All these documents that I mentioned, if it expired and you don't have a Koba Isaac, it seems I know you. Okay, I'll put the number on the screen, don't worry. If, for example, if you have all these documents and your document expired, they are not supposed to take the document from you. If you don't know, I'm telling you, and I'll show you a video that will prove to you right here. They have to renew the document for you. If, for example, let me use one document like lavoro subordinato. Let me say you have protezione speciale or casi speciale or assistenza minore or even cura medica document, okay? And then you convert it. You were working that time, so you converted it into what is called lavoro subordinato. When you get that lavoro subordinato, and that lavoro subordinato expired, okay, and you don't have a contract, you are not supposed to be worried. You are not supposed to be crying. You are not supposed to be thinking of finding illegal way to get contract or going to buy or do. No, you don't have to worry. Let me say why I said you shouldn't worry. The motivo di lavoro subordinato is 2 years document. But if, for example, you don't have the contract to renew it, Questura will renew it for you. Yes, without contract, Questura will renew it for you and give you a document that is called attesa di occupazione. Means you are waiting for employment. That document, some Questura will give you 1 year. Some Questura will also give you 1 year, 8 months, or 1 year, 6 months. It depends on the Questura. You understand? Yes, let me show you a video real quick, and then I'll go to the people who have yellow Soggiorno. Yes, let me show you the video. All right, this medicine that you see on the screen is a manpower medicine. Man would say your bola too small. Bro, I've been saying this. Those of you who have been here on this platform knows what I'm talking about. This medicine is good for man. We say it too weak for bed. Man will say your bola too small. Brother, be a man in your trouser. Yes, let your bola big. If you cannot satisfy your wife well, there's no way you get that control over her. You understand? Yes, get this one, and woman will feed you shakara for you. They will help you. They have the cream, they have the soap, they have the tea one, the one that you use to do tea, the one that you put gin on top. They have everything. Contact OEA and they will help you. Now, let me quickly go into this news. This news is very important to me, so I don't want to play with it at all. All right, let's watch this video.
The residence permit for awaiting employment is issued for a maximum duration of not less than 1 year, or for the entire duration of the income support benefit, like unemployment treatment, mobility allowance, received by the foreigner if eager. Renewal of the residence permit for pending employment is also possible beyond 1 year if the worker receives the mobility allowance up to the duration of the allowance itself, is a part of a family already established on the national territory, made up of a person who demonstrates having sufficient resources provided for by Article 29 of the Law Immigration, such as not to burden the state social assistance system during the stay.
Yes, so you heard this video very well. It explained about this same document I'm talking about. So if you have lavoro subordinato and it's expired, you don't need to worry yourself. Say, okay, because the document don't expire, so they will take my document. No, they will renew the document for you, but they will give you what is called attesa di occupazione. Means you are waiting for employment, or person will not get work. We say the wait may get work. That's the document they will give you. But instead of you to have 2 years, it will, some controller will give you 1 year. Some will also give you that same 2 years. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, hello. Yeah, do you want me to put you on live? Okay, let me finish then. Okay. All right. So please, whenever I'm making a video, if you don't want me to put you on live program, then don't call. You can call me right after the video. Okay. Thank you. Now, let's quickly go to the people that with yellow Soggiorno. My people, this message is very, very important for those of you who have 6 months permiso di soggiorno, means asilo politico, richiedente di asilo, people who are seeking asylum to get document. Now, pay attention to this. If you joke with it, you are joking with your document. Now, if for example, you have a job that you are doing, whether the contract na 2 months, 1 month, or to routine or whatever, it doesn't matter. So far as you have a contract, those of you will say you also have what is called voluntary work. Yes, voluntary. Like say I just want do one instead of make I stay for house. I just want do one. Yes, those of you who have voluntary or good contract, whether a farm work, people who cannot get inside are people who are doing black work with no contract. You people are outside. But if you are doing a contract, or if you have a job that has at least 2 weeks contract or 1 month contract or any contract at all, and people who don't have a contract but also are doing what is called voluntary work, you are also part of this. Now, listen to me very careful. This should be very important to help all of you. If you are here in Italy, you have your contract, you are doing the voluntary, as I said, bro, take your booster paga. Take your booster paga. Even if they are paying you 300 euro per month, let that booster paga be important to you. Now, take that booster paga and keep it somewhere. If they give you 2 month contract, make sure you have that contract also somewhere. You that you are an asylum seeker, make sure you have all these things. Now, these are two different things that I'm going to talk about. If you have 6 months sojourner and you are not in camp, you are living on your own, maybe you don't rent somebody's single room, or you have your own apartment, all these contracts, booster paga code that you have, anytime you are going to renew your documents, make sure you attach it to the 6 months sojourner to Questura. I'm not talking about people who are in camp. I'm talking about those who are not in camp, living on their own. Make sure you join them together to Questura to renew. Anytime you want to renew, let Questura see your booster paga. Let them see. If you renew your contract, let them see. Give it to them. Make a photocopy and give it to them. Now, this is what will happen to you. Questura will be gathering all these things and be sending it to commission for you. Anytime you come to renew, if you bring another booster paga, they will send it. If you bring anything that you bring, contract, whatever that you bring, they will be sending it to commission for you. Now, by the time they call you for commission, or by the time you go to your appeal, all these things, Questura have already sent it there. Make sure you give it to your lawyer also. Don't go with it yourself, because if you go to the court with your own documents, all these things that I've mentioned, judge will not mind you. Judge will not mind you. Make sure your lawyer will submit it electronically. Electronically means by mail or by any means that he or she, the lawyer, used to communicate with the judge. Okay, they should send all these things there for you. These are the things that will get you the documents. Now, Italy right now, as I'm talking to you, let me say 90% of the whole thing right now is about whether you are working or you are sitting there idle. That is the most important thing they care now, or else you will still get negative again. Now, let me go to the people, those who are also in camp. If you are in camp, pay attention to this. If you are in camp also, I have been warning you guys, don't take camp lawyer, don't take camp lawyer. Before you know, they have camp lawyer. Camp lawyer don't waste their time. They will be crying, calling Bright Future TV. So now I don't talk about it. Whoever your lawyer is, make sure that lawyer will also send your booster paga, your contract of work. Anytime you renew, anytime you take a booster paga, please don't take the booster paga and keep it somewhere. Don't receive only your salary and forget your booster paga. No, you will get negative. Make sure you have, anytime you get the booster paga, you send it to the lawyer, and make sure the lawyer has also sent it to the judge. Yes, it's very important. Let them send it to the judge so that when you go, If your story, these are two things. So now let me tell you something. Your story should base on something, because all the documents in Italy has their reason why they will give you. Maybe you talk, say, okay, I drink bottle of water. The judge or the commissioner will check why this person drink a bottle of water. Because he drink a bottle of water, they want to do them like this, they want to do them like that. Then they will go and cross check in the law that person will say he drink full of bottle, which document they supposed to give him. Then they will check the answers, will say you don't answer them. When they find out that, okay, person where they drink full of bottle, now this kind of document, asilo political 5 years, now they're supposed to give them, they will give you the 5 years. If upon all the story where you talk, if you not still give you niente, you not deserve any document, then they are coming to check your work. What the person they do, that one forms into a category of the what we call this protectionist speciality. Somebody who have been here for more than 2 years, somebody who is here schooling, somebody who is here working, so that you at least, no matter how the story is from, they reduce your work will put you somewhere that is called the protectionist speciality. My people, this is a very good news. This is a very good news. It is time migrants stop receiving negative. Grab this piece of information, make good use of it. If you have a lawyer and your lawyer know they mind you, know they respond to your call, I have said it, I'm tired. Change him or her. Now, there's a good news also. Those of you who are in Piemonte, if you are in Piemonte and you need a good lawyer who will speak the language you will understand, English, contact Bright Future TV. I will give you a lawyer that will speak English with you and help you only if you are in Piemonte. I'm talking about Piemonte. Yes, although I have different lawyers, but right now, as I'm talking to you, there is one good lawyer right now that helping people in Piemonte a lot. Contact Bright Future TV and I'll make sure that I give you the lawyer's number that will speak good English. Your pidgin that you are speaking, he will speak with you, make sure that you will get your document. This lawyer is not a lawyer that is going to charge you a money. Don't forget, in Italian law, any migrant that is working and receiving 1,000, 1,200, you have the responsibility to take your own lawyer and pay the lawyer yourself. But if you are not receiving such amount of money, then the government will pay for that lawyer. So all depends on you. Thank you for watching Bright Future TV. Let me read comments from Abdurazak. Said, Mr. Lucky, if you are really working as your judge asks for a strato contributo, be happy. Your document, yes, of course. Abdurazak, you gave a very good answer. Okay, Lucky said, good evening, Mr. Bright. Please, did you have any idea when a judge? Yes, anytime a judge asks you for a strato contributo, you get it from your couple. Okay, you get that paper from your couple. Be happy. They want to check. They just want to check. Be happy. If you get that document for them, that's the way you get your document. Yes, so be very, very happy. And then most of you who will also be going to commission, please, if you are working and you are going, there's something you need to collect. Tell the couple, say, the Doctor de Lavoro, make he give you in Qatar the identity, back and front. Make the photocopy am for you. Make the right letter, say, yes, this person, if they work for this company, with their stamp, bam, and give it to your lawyer to give it to the judge. These are things that help migrants. Please take this very, very serious. I am done. God forever bless you for listening to Bright Future TV. I know many of you will make good use of this information. Few of them will sit down idle without not making any move. But if you make a move, it will help you. Please go and follow us on TikTok and share this video for us. God will forever bless you. Let's wait and see for any other news that will drop. I'll make sure I put it on this channel. God bless you. Ciao.